Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at a iconic American muscle vehicle right here. It is a 1969 Chevy Camaro Z28 302 290 horse Hugger orange with black and white houndstooth interior. It does have the front and rear spoiler package on this vehicle. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle here. Again, as we look over the vehicle, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota, then we'll get into this Hugger orange 1969 Z28 in a minute. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on 301 on the corner of Televast and 301. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest in this vehicle or anything else that we may have in inventory, as we keep about 100 cars in inventory, about 80% of those are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European exotic and or luxury vehicles. But as we get back to this 69 Hugger orange, we are a full service dealership. If you're not in Florida, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit the website. Our number is 941-355-1955 and the website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. We will have 75 to 100 pictures of this vehicle on the website. It just arrived, so it needs to go through the detail process, and then we'll get pictures and get it up on the website. All the pictures, the information is on the website. If you're not in Florida, as I mentioned, do not hesitate to still give us a call, as we do ship cars all over the world, so we can get you this vehicle or anything else that we may have in inventory anywhere you may be around the world. Last year we shipped to over 19 different US states and 9 countries around the world. Again, just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. The paint is in excellent condition. As I mentioned, it does have the front and rear spoiler package. Correct code of 72 Hugger orange on the trim tag. Again, hard to see here in the video. We will have pictures of that online. It does have a Muncie M21 4-speed in it. 12 bolt 4.0 posi rear end. Again, just a beautiful center console with working gauges. 8,000, kind of hard to see here, but it does have 8,000 tack, RPM tack. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. Yeah, we'll go ahead and start it up here, show you that it is a cold start. Does have power brakes, rally wheels, BF Goodrich white raised lettering. Again, just a stunning of a vehicle here. AM FM radio. Make sure we get the keys. Get it in neutral. Four-speed gauges do work here. Again, hard to see. We will have pictures online. Let it warm up just a touch here. It does have rear defrost as well, which is an option. Rosewood steering wheel. Again, as I mentioned, black and white houndstooth. back and hear and see the exhaust. Again, no smoke, no fluid coming out. Sounds like the late 60s, 70s muscle cars. Absolutely stunning. Hugger orange, 1969 Z28. Engine sounds fantastic. Rev it up just a little bit here. Again, we're not quite up to temperature, so don't want to go crazy, but we will rev it just a little bit. Those 60s muscle car fans, this is the iconic muscle car and sought after collectible here. 1969 Hugger orange Z28, Jerry MacNeish certified. Again, if you want more information, please visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call 941-355-1955 and we can answer whatever questions you may have. We will have pictures on our website as well of this vehicle. We'll have 75 to 100 pictures. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.